Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 11 desktop icons missing. First method is right-click desktop, click View, click Show Desktop Icons. Second method is right-click Desktop, click Personalize. Click Themes. Click Desktop Icon Settings. Check all, click Apply, click OK. Third method is right-click Start button, click Task Manager. Select Windows Explorer, click Restart. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.